The American Heart Association's Scientific Sessions in New Orleans is where innovation and inspiration are at the heart of every conversation. I'm Dave Huddleston, and this is AHA-TV. Today, researchers, clinicians, and technology leaders are sensing the future and what's next in cardiovascular care. Day 3 began with the first main event of the day, focusing on new guideline recommendations in acute coronary syndromes.
Really gave a good recap as to what's going on and what are the biggest updates and what are the highlights. So that was a really impactful session. It was a great session to have at AHA.
This is, I think, introduces some controversy but resolves a lot of issues, and I think it's a major breakthrough in how we're going to treat myocardial infarctions.
It's very, very nice to see experts in the field have uncertainty regarding these guidelines, because I am often faced with not understanding them myself, and to see the cutting edge still being debated is very, very cool.
And this is just a reminder that science is fun. I think when funding situation is hard, getting papers out is hard, we kind of forget that how amazing it is to find out how our body works.
From the future of kidney care to the connection between pregnancy-related hypertension and brain health to a big picture look at prevention, special sessions in Rivergate tackled quick TED Talk style lectures. This year's moderated digital poster experience takes traditional research presentations to a whole new level. Interactive displays let investigators walk viewers through their findings in real time, blending visuals, data, and discussion for a more dynamic exchange of ideas.
It's amazing to get to see old friends, make new friends, and learn about the great science that's happening here and being presented at the AHA.
As always, AHA has the best quality science, and we value that, and that's why we're here. Of course, the program has been rich.
It's not just about the science, it's about the connection. We ask the question of the day: which emerging cardiovascular therapy has the greatest potential to shift current treatment?
I'm a nephrologist, and so I think anything that benefits both heart and kidney outcomes is great. And so I feel like it's going to be the incretin mimetics.
All of the diagnostic tools put together through AI. It's going to mean so much for my patients. I work at a safety net hospital, and I'm just so eager to implement everything that I've learned.
As lunchtime sessions rolled on, conversations around metabolic disease and heart failure underscored the need for a more holistic view of patient care.
One of the things I love most about science is the way our thinking evolves. As we've gathered new information about the impact of sex in cardiovascular disease, our lexicon has changed.
The afternoon's presidential sessions and Connor lecture drew a packed house, inspiring leaders to carry the momentum forward.
There are two reasons, in my belief, as a medical specialist, to give estrogen to postmenopausal women. One's for symptoms, and two, for bone health. The evidence that estrogen will then prevent heart disease is just not there.
In the simulation zone, hands-on learning comes to life with experts demonstrating real-time procedures, including the precise insertion of a device into a pig heart, showcasing how innovation and technique come together to advance cardiovascular care. And finally, energy ran high in the Health Innovation Pavilion as the Health Tech competition winners were announced, spotlighting cutting-edge ideas that could soon save lives.
The award that we won was for the best business pitch and the best overall, and so this is a great recognition for us. I'm especially happy for the families and the kids who have congenital heart defects, because they can really see that there's some innovation happening.
Today's researchers aren't just studying heart health, they're redefining it. At AHA Scientific Sessions, every conversation is one step closer to saving more lives. I'm Dave Huddleston, and this is AHA TV.